So good morning, Dr. Jayesh.
Good morning.
Can you, we have heard a lot about the parenting workshop which you have been conducting over the years. So could you please give us insights about the workshop?
Fundamentally Awakened Parenting Workshop. The name itself is a little misnomer because people feel that this is about getting some training about how to be a good parent. Please let me make this very clear that all of you are good parents, and this seminar is not about making you a good parent. It's not about training you into good parenting. Awakened parenting is principally about being awakened. What is the meaning of being awakened? The meaning of being awakened is to become more spontaneous, more intimate, more happy in your life. Now, the Awakened Parenting Workshop is essentially based on one fundamental discovery, you can say, rediscovery, or whatever you say, because is that every child deserves a happy parent. In the modern day life, every parent is struggling to do everything that is possible to make their child happy, and at the end of the day, as many gifts you buy for them, as much you take them out, as much you train them, as many tuitions you give them, as many marks they get, or whatever material achievements they make, and the amount of effort that the parent makes in making the child happy, at the end of the day, neither the parent or the child are able to have a fulfilling, healthy relationship. And the central point of the workshop is that a parent and a child, especially a mother and a child, or a father and a child, are very intimately bonded. Whatever the parent is undergoing has a very deep influence on the child. For example, a parent may be handling a business tension, or the mother may be handling a family tension. Mother may be handling some emotional hurts. The father and the mother may have some problem. Whatever the parents are undergoing has a deep effect on the child, because the parents are reacting and acting out of a certain pattern, and the child's subconscious is receiving this pattern and reacting to it in its own appropriate way, I would say inappropriate way. That makes the child unhealthy. When the child remains unhealthy, it affects the parent, and parent becomes unhealthy. In the mind of the parent, in the behavior of the parent, in the tensions of the parent, and in the physical disease of the parent. The same is with the child. So when the parent becomes happy, when something heals, something deeply heals in the parent, the child has no other reason to remain sick. Very often I have discovered that miraculous results which I could not obtain by very good medical approach got sorted out when I healed the parents. So over a period of time we have constructed this 3 days workshop, which we call as Awakened Parenting Workshop. The main aspect of this is that all children send very deep spiritual learning, healing messages to their parents. Somehow the parents and the child are not tuned to learn from each other. So what happens is that the parent doesn't understand why is the child behaving in a particular way. For example, why is the child sleeping till late? Why is the child lazy? Why is the child hyperactive? Why is the child rebelling? Why is the child hitting? Why is the child throwing things? Why is the child whatever? Now, whatever is the behavior of the child often is very closely connected with how the parent is patterned, and they both seem to fuel each other. So when we could devise a workshop by a lot of clinical experience in our day-to-day practice, created for a bigger group of people, we saw that when we heal parents in a particular way, then the child's disease gets cured. I can give you examples of chronic diseases like eczema, which is impossible to cure, very severe, the child is scratching for years together, get completely cured when the parent gets healed. And vice versa, when the child got healed, then the parents' diabetes got better. Now it is unexplainable how this is happening, and in nobody has been clinically using this to help people heal. Whereas they may theoretically agree, but clinically nobody has been using this approach to cure the parent and the child. So this seminar is about healing. It's not about learning. It's not about becoming a good parent. It's about becoming a happy person. It's about becoming a happy parent. When you become happy, that is the key to transformation. The added on top of this is a kind of a communication workshop which we have created out of understanding many experts and well-tried methodologies in communication with children. So we have devised a method by which we can pass to the parents in a very lively, jovial, practical, interactive way how we can effectively communicate with children. Not rightly communicate with children. There is nothing right and wrong. We want an effective communication with children. So it's a very highly interactive, fun-filled, with a lot of jokes and a lot of practical things that happen in our day-to-day life. How the communication between a child and a parent gets locked, and then it doesn't move further, and what to do in such situations. So, all in all, this seminar is meant for anyone, whether he is a parent or not a parent. If he wants to achieve some degree of introspection, if he wants to achieve some degree of autonomy where he can work on his own self and create happiness for his own self, learn about his own patterns and heal them, and learn some clues or techniques of communication which you can use with your spouses, with your business employees, with your subordinates, with your colleagues, with anybody. The same principles of communication can be used anywhere. So this seminar is about awakening, awareness, healing, bringing some degree of joy and happiness in your own life. That is why we call it awakened parenting. In some ways, you are awakening your own parent within your own self. So when you are able to parent your own self in a healthy, alive, natural, full of joyous way, you will be able to parent your child in a similar way. Each one of us has a child within, and our own self is parenting that child in a way that that child is all constricted and not happy. So when your inner relationship with your own self improves, then your relationship with your children is going to improve by leaps and bounds and will last for a long time. So anybody who wants to work on themselves, to have better awakened relationships with their own selves, this is the right seminar to come to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this. As we listen to the seminar or when we read about the seminar, normally the impression one gets is that there is going to be a lecture for 3 days, there will be going to be PowerPoint presentations and the audience is only going to listen. It's kind of a monologue. This is what is assumed. So could you throw some light on how these 3 days are being programmed?
I think this 3 days is full of interaction. One, they are full of meditative sessions too. They are full of healing processes whereby specific problems with children can be healed there and then. This whole program is not only logical, but I can assure you it is also magical. Because beyond logical is magical, and you will not know till you have experienced what can happen in 3 days. Only those who have come for the workshop can share what can happen in these 3 days. So it's not just about learning, it's not about learning, it's about experiencing a healing, experiencing some joy, experiencing some freedom, experiencing release of tension, experiencing new, experiencing and creating newer possibilities in your life. It's all about having more possibilities in your life.
Thank you, sir, for this enlightening speech.
Wonderful. Thank you, Deva.